How to add music in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to add music to your CapCut video, I'll show you how you can do it in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on New Project at the top. Now select the video from your gallery and tap on Add to import it. And once you have added the video clip to your timeline, simply tap on audio at the bottom. And after that, simply select sounds. Now choose from different music options based on your preferences. Here I am using the default sounds from CapCut. Now swipe and select an album and search for song. Now tap on the song and then tap on the plus icon to add it to your video. And once you are happy with the changes, simply tap on export shown in the top right corner and the CapCut will start downloading your video with the added music. And that's it. That's how you can add music in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.